Dear friend, welcomes. Now today we discuss about the maintenance and repair of the tractor. Myself, Professor Ayan Shinde. Now study your owner's manual. First, you should study your manual provided with the tractors. The manufacturer has specific instruction for basic care of your tractors, and they have the expertise to give you the best advice on how to do it. This will tell you the interval for routine maintenance, including the chassis lubrication, engine transmission, and hydraulic oil change, filter changes, and other maintenance items. Now obtain the tools first. The tractor maintenance requires numerous wrenches and other tools in larger size than for the automobile maintenance. So plan to buy or borrow the tools you need. Protect the tractor from the element. Check the fluid regularly. Check the tire inflation pressure. If tire run with excessively low tire pressure, tread wear increases dramatically. Adjust the air pressure for the type of work planned for the day ahead. If road travel is expected, add a few pounds of pressure to each tire. And if tillage is expected, reduce the pressure by few pounds. Keep an eye on a belt and hoses. Keep the brake leakage lubricated and make sure the brakes are adjusted equally. Watch the gauges. Keep an eye on the temperature, oil pressure and tachometer. The temperature gauge should be marked with the normal operating range. But anytime the indicator says the temperature is over 220 degree Fahrenheit, that means 100 degrees Celsius, the engine is running hot. If equipped with a diesel engine, the oil pressure should be between 40 to 60 psi. The tachometer tells how many revolutions per minute the crankshaft is turning. Now check the filters regularly. Most system-on tractors are equipped with filter to protect against the dirt, water or other contaminant that could cause a failure of the component. Check the air filter often. Tractors are often operated in very dusty condition, and in some cases the filter must be cleaned daily or weekly. Clean the air filter with a shop vacuum or with compressed air, never by washing it. Replace air filter when it cannot be cleaned satisfactorily or if the filter is damaged. Check the radiator skin. Tractors are often operated in a condition where the debris may accumulate on the radiator. So they usually have a front screen or grill to prevent the plant matter, insect or pollen from the clogging the radiator. Lubricate your tractors. Tractors have many more moving parts that require greasing than do automobiles. Use a grease cartridge pressure gun, clean the fitting, attach the hose and pump grease until associated seal begins to expand or grease is seeing oozing out of the attachment you are lubricating. Look for grease putting on a steering compound, a brake and clutch linkage and 3-point hitch pivot points. Do not overload your tractor. Repairs of the tractor. Remember that engine does not start. What are the causes? Battery not fully charged. Then charge the battery fully. Starter the pinion jammed. Adjust the pinion. Faulty switch. Repair or change the switch. Airlock in fuel system. Bleed the fuel line. Injector faulty. Check it the injector testing machine. Now next causes: air cleaner choked. Clean it well. Engine overloaded. Reduce the load from the engine. Excessive fuel injected. Then check the injection fuel pump. Injection pump and injector. Now the causes: valve clearance incorrect. Then adjust the correct gap. Valve spring broken. Then replace it. Injection timing incorrect. Then check it and correct it. Exhaust pipe block. Clean it well. Fuel lip pump faulty, repair it. Fuel filter block, clean the filter. Fuel tank vent block, clean the vent. Faulty injector, check the injector. Now the troubles: engine get overheated very soon. The reasons of overheating may be the faulty cooling system, inefficient combustion, improper lubrications. Now some are the faulty cooling system: leakage in a cooling system, check the leakage. Defective water pump, then repair the pump. Thermostat valve not opening properly, adjust the valve. Radiator choke, clean the radiator. Fan belt loose or broken, change the belt. Now the injection timing wrong, check the timing. Engine overload, reduce the load on the engine. Exhaust pipe choke, clean the exhaust pipe. Faulty injector, then test the injector. Now improper lubrication: oil filter choke, clean it. Lubricating oil dirty, replace it. Oil viscosity too high, use the correct grade of oil. Lubricating pump defective, repair it. Now clutch slips, pedal adjust or not correct, adjust the play. Burn or own clutch lining, repair or replace the lining. Clutch lining rusted, repair it. Clutch pad not properly adjust the play. Excessive play of the brake pedal, adjust the play. Oil leakage in a brake chamber, then check the leakage. Acting stroke of the right and left pedal different, then stroke should be made same. Then brake pedal does not return smoothly, then broken return spring, replace it. Grease run short at each sliding section, then remove rust and apply the grease. Hydraulic system does not lift or drop, then lack of hydraulic oil, fill it up to mark. Pipe suck air, remove the leakage. Filter clog, clean the filter. Broken control valve, replace the broken control valve. Then broken cylinder, replace the cylinder. Okay, thank you.